Here the stage is set for the grand inauguration of Invest Karnataka in Bangalore. So you can see the entry of this very venue. So I'm giving an overview of this very grand inauguration by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, along with the Chief Minister of Karnataka and the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, and then Industries Minister M.B. Patil, and a host of industrialists from across India, including Anand Mahindra from Mahindra Group, will be here. So we are entering the venue. This is a global investor meet, the gym organized by Karnataka government for attracting investment from across the globe for the development of Karnataka. The investment activity, the hub of investment in India. So here it is well written, reimagining growth, Invest Karnataka, global investors meet. So Karnataka is showcasing its all capabilities. For example, the infrastructure development and the single window clearance mechanism to attract FDI from across the globe. So Karnataka is really setting new standard in investment arena with its infrastructure development led by large land parks acquisition with the help of KIDB. So here we can see that Invest Karnataka reimagining the growth. So you can see a lot of things are happening in Karnataka for the past decade. Even set a new standard in the developmental discourse of India. Karnataka, with its leadership position in IT, is also taking leadership position in the manufacturing arena also. So whatever happen in Karnataka will have its pan-India ramification. That is another important factor we have to take into account. So Karnataka is setting new standard in manufacturing with its Industry 4.0 stack of technologies. So here artists are ready to take things in order. So no worries, boss. No worries. So here a lot of cultural activities are being happening here at Palace Ground in Bangalore, where it is being inaugurated by the Defence Minister of Government of India. So the stage is set for that. Deputy Chief Minister. Deputy Chief Minister Mr. D.K. Shivakumar is there, far ahead.
Come here.
Yeah.
Outside.
No worries. So the stage is set for receiving Mr. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. So they are all here to welcome Rajnath Singh. So we can see the Deputy Chief Minister coming forward. So he is setting new tone for the development of the initiative of Karnataka.
Side.